It may look like I got a TV, but it's an e-bike. And it's super heavy. Super heavy and fragile. Fragile. It would be amazing if these came assembled, but they do not. There's quite a bit of tools. The instructions say to put the handlebars on first. But it doesn't say how to do it, it just says to do it. I don't think I'm gonna tighten this fully, just a little bit, in case I need to adjust the handlebar later. Handlebars, handlebar. It's gonna get really technical here. Okay, I can still move this around a little bit. I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. Okie doke, so this part here kind of looks like it's for a license plate, but apparently it broke off the bottom. This is probably what was here to keep the bike stable as you're working on it, but it's broken. I guess I gotta remove this screw here and then put the wheel there. Ooh, not an easy thing to record by yourself. My last e-bike video, I put the wheel on the wrong way. Hopefully I get it right this time. This doodad that pulls out right here. I couldn't get the wheel in because this was in there. Since I was going at this alone, I removed the battery and flipped the bike. It made it a lot easier to put the wheel on. Okay, I can do this. Don't worry, a bike expert will be looking at this. I happen to be living with a bike expert. And now it's time for a little nap. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, wheel is attached, hopefully. Step 4. I wonder what part it'll tell me to install next without telling me how to install it. Pedals, install them, but there's actually some directions this time. L. That's that side. R. R, pedal R. So manually first and then tighten securely using a pedal wrench to avoid damage caused by wider wrenches. As shown in assembly video. There's an assembly video? Where? It doesn't actually tell you where. Go to arielrider.com, help center, click on that, down to where it says e-bikes, click on that, find the model of the bike, click on that, and then go to the assembly video. Oh, clockwise works. Maybe the right one is clockwise and the left one is counterclockwise. I'm just gonna use a wrench because I don't know what a pedal wrench is. Oh shoot, I wasn't recording. The left pedal, you do put it on counterclockwise and then the right one clockwise. And that's it, that's where the instructions end. And I've never seen so little instructions before. But luckily, this part's pretty self-explanatory. And I guess optional as well, you don't need this. It goes this way. I was going based off what I'm seeing in back, and in back it looked like it was the other way, but it's not. It's this way. This is the right way. I don't have the proper lens for this. Alright, so I'm gonna stick this doodad in back and then try to tighten this from the front like so. Actually, I'm gonna move that up more and try to tighten it down over here. There's absolutely no space. But one thing the video failed to mention is how to straighten the wheels. Not the wheels, the handlebars. I loosened up this screw, and then there's another one on the other side. I loosened up that. So I got the wheel between my legs, and now I can adjust the handlebars. And it's super duper important to tighten these back up. Hopefully I got this wheel straight. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Looks like the last thing I gotta do is install the headlight. I've assembled one other bike besides this one, and I feel like for someone that has almost no experience doing this, this has gone all right. But it would have went better with a friend. These e-bikes weigh a lot, so if you do get one, get assistance putting it together. This thing's held on by a screw on each side. All right, tighten this. The last thing I gotta do is attach these two cables together. Oh, there we go. Time to charge up the battery. Stick the cable in here, plug it into the wall. Both lights are red. Many hours later, one turns green. It's ready to go. Unplug it from the wall, unplug it from the battery, and then cover that hole. Inflate to 30 psi. I took out the sound because this is super loud. 30 psi. To turn on the bike, hold down this button until the screen lights up, and then the other button that shows you some extra stuff like average miles per hour, max speed. I've gone 5.9 miles so far. Isn't that impressive? Not really. And there's some extra stuff. The battery, to remove it, you turn the key. So you put it in, turn it, leave it, take the battery out. And the battery is heavy. Put it back in, stick the key back in, turn it, leave it in place, put the battery in. Here's a closer view of that, so you can see the little thing that locks it in place. And the button on top shows you how much battery life is left. So on a 7-hour charge, you get about 45 miles, but that's optimal conditions. Flat terrain, no wind, normal payload. Payload for this is 320 pounds max. That's what these little things are for. So you can have another person sitting on there with you, but on a less comfortable spot. So here's a close-up of these massive wheels. I mean, the wheels are small, but the tires are huge. And here's some bike parts that I don't know the names of, but one day I might learn those. They had the belt mounted way too close to other stuff, so it didn't work. I moved it. Many minutes later into the video, I'm finally ready to go. And I'm heading to a bike trail. I don't like riding on the street. Say hello to YouTube! Hoi! I don't even have to pedal. I just... Oh, you got that! It's true, I did have to clone myself to help with this video because filming it alone, not so easy. Oh my gosh, this thing's really fast. It's like, it's too fast, I'm scared. I'm going 20 miles an hour. Bike to its max factory default speed of 21 miles per hour, but I was told there's a way to override it. He told me to hold down this left button here, click through all this stuff until I get to this part, then put in the code 1919, and from there I can override the max speed, and it didn't seem to really end anywhere. I just kept clicking through it until I got to like 50 something. Hopefully it doesn't go that fast, but I'm gonna do another video on this bike and my other e-bike in the near future, and we'll see how fast this thing can go. There's a turtle? Oh, hold on, I gotta lower this. I'm gonna take it off pedal assist. We gotta go back for the turtle.
On this little screen, you can adjust the pedal assist, or you can use the throttle as well, not even pedal, and there's 5 different speeds.
I'm gonna pick it up. Should I pick it up?
Don't pick it up.
No.
Just leave it alone. Aw, don't pick it up.
I wanna pick it up. I'm sorry. I did.
Kids.
Oh my god, look at it.
He's upset. Put him down. Pedal assist 1. And away I go. So much exercise. I'm exercising my wrist.
I'm getting more exercise than you. I'm actually
I'm not doing anything. I can really feel the burn in my legs. You're supposed to stop at the stop sign.
Definitely gonna have to work on those stop signs. Luckily, she's not old enough to drive yet. So we rode some more, but it started to rain. You can kind of see it on the ground. We hid under a bridge, waited it out, and then rode some more. If you're interested in this bike, check it out at arielrider.com. Link will also be down below in the video's description. And if you do get it, when you're at a stop, bring the pedal assist all the way down because this thing has some pick up and go. So now I'm gonna go. Toodaloo-dee-loo.